that food, when you're mad. I always tell folks, if you're going to do something, go with a good attitude. Basically, because when you're mad about doing something, things go wrong.
Right.
And then you're not able to focus and do it right. And then when you mess it up, you blame it on, I didn't want to do it anyway. But if you're happy in so doing it, everything goes according to what you want, and good surprises. We raise everything in the backyard. My mom said, dinner, go yonder, child, and get me one of them chicken. And she would show me first how to pick out a chicken for dinner by its weight and size. And then she'd bring the neck, and that was it. First time I learned to cook a chicken, my mom took me in the yard. She said, Sallie Ann, come go with me to the yard. And she grabbed this chicken. She threw some corn down, she grabbed this chicken. She said, this your chicken is for dinner. I need you to cook it, clean it, and fix it the way I showed you. Oh my gosh. It was fun watching, but when it came to doing, it was a different story. But I had to do it because they went fishing, and I had to have dinner ready by the time they get back. And in doing so the first time I tried bringing the chicken neck, it got away. It ran away. So I named the recipe Runaway Fried Chicken. Everybody had their own fields, and I'm saying fields of stuff. It wasn't just small garden, it was fields. And we worked hard, but the reward was also good, y'all. The reward of eating the fresh vegetables, the chicken that you raised, the hog, all of these things were good things. Church, they would congregate a little bit, but you went home and at that big Sunday dinner. And Sunday was dessert day in our house and many of the homes. We didn't eat sweet all the time. Very rare we had sweet, mainly Sunday, because we had a lot of berries and fruits and stuff here. Our parents made the dessert from. We want blackberry dumpling, we go pick the blackberries, pear cobblers and pies, apples, different fruits. These folks were so good at taking what they had and making just mouth-watering memories. My mom would, when she's feeding a group of folks, when everybody eats, she'd look and people be, oh man, this is so good. And she'd just sit back and have that smile. Yeah, got 'em.